And of course, it's fucking packed. Damn it, it's packed. Oh, I'm just gonna park out here. Fuck it. Just gonna park out here. Today is iPull-u-Pull half off sale. I don't like coming to iPull-u-Pull because their selection is really small. It's like really small. But anyways, I'm here. Decided to stop by and I see this beauty right here. This 2001 Toyota MR2 Spider with a completely destroyed soft top and somewhat decent interior. Does anyone know if this is a TRD exhaust? I'm not sure, but it kind of resembles my previous TRD muffler's exhaust, so I kind of figured it was probably a TRD exhaust. I'm not sure, but here I am trying to open the, what would you call this, the hood, the rear hood of the vehicle, where the, I don't know the proper name for it, but here I am opening it. Beautiful onesie, psych, most likely blown. The guy that was there told me that the bottom end sounded like it was about to give out. He said after 2 or 3 minutes of it running, it was just blowing out white smoke, so kind of led me to believe that it was a blown head gasket. And I checked the oil, and this oil is pitch black, like pure black. Like they did no maintenance to this vehicle whatsoever, like just nothing done to it. And so you're basically going to be buying a shell at this point with a, don't even know if it works, 5-speed. So they were asking way too much for it. They were asking $1,600 for it. It was not worth it. Moving them into gears, it felt right. It felt okay, but I don't know. And here's the first vehicle I saw coming in, and is a, here I am cleaning up the fog light. I ended up buying this fog light right here to replace the cracked one from when I was going over the Altamont. I ended up destroying my Greddy front lip, and for some reason my fog light had cracked wide open, so I was missing a huge part of the lens. So I ended up picking that up to replace my broken one. And here I am explaining why the wind noise or why the audio is terrible, using my iPhone 10, and just the microphone on it is ass. It's complete garbage. It's just picking up a lot of wind noise, and after listening to just a few minutes, it gave me a headache just listening to it. So I decided to chop out the audio and just do a voiceover, I guess. And anyways, I'm explaining right now that that MR2, they were asking $1,600 for it. The guy said, you can shoot me an offer, blah blah blah. And so I was like, okay, I'll give you $1,000. He was like, he didn't have an answer on the spot. And so because they were having the half off sale up until Monday, this is Sunday, he told me to come back on Tuesday to negotiate with him, and I guess we'll work out a deal, because he really wanted to get that car out of there, because apparently it's been sitting there for almost a whole month and no one's had any interest in it. I'm like, well, yeah, of course there's no one going to be interested in it. You're asking way too much money for it. Here is the battery tie down. I, for some reason, lost mine when I was doing the gaskets and whatnot when I pulled out the 2ZZ from my Corolla, so I ended up swooping that. And I needed an airbag for my Corolla, so here I am looking at it. I saw that it's damaged, so I was like, well, I can't grab this one no more because it's obviously damaged. But later on in the video, you can see me grabbing this and taking it to that blue Celica, the one at the very beginning, and we're gonna end up swapping over the airbag covers but keeping the airbag module intact. Here I am looking at this matrix. It's completely stripped, nothing to remove out of it, nothing interesting. It's been gutted. It's been here for a while now. It was in a really bad rear end accident. You can clearly see the damage here. I was looking at this Matrix XR wheel, because wheels outside the junkyard out into the yard, they're like $10 each. So I was about to like, oh shit, I might as well just swoop this wheel right here, but I saw that it had like huge flat area, so I was like, oh, that wheel's completely gone. No way in saving that. So I was like, screw it, I'll just leave it there and just going over it one more time before I leave this matrix here. Whatever, it's completely destroyed, it's completely gone. I don't know why I keep looking at it. And here I am walking through the aisles. I find this Celica GT, cringe Celica GT. I don't know if that was real, the Toyota side decal bullshit. But anyways, it's a GT1ZZ, automatic, complete trash, and that's just pure cringe right there. This is something a teenager would do to a Celica. Just put all these random eBay stickers on it. Complete mess. I hate it when teenagers do this to their cars. And I'm just looking at it, and there's nothing to grab from this Celica. Nothing. It's wow. Just a cringe on the stickers. I wouldn't put none of those type of stickers like on my car. If it's a sticker, it'd be like the Triforce that I have on my Celica that I'm apparently getting a lot of compliments for. But here I am at the first Celica. That's the Corolla airbag. If you guys don't know, the Corolla airbag has 2 plugs, while the Celica has 1 plug for the, I guess, the adapter. And so what I'm trying to do here is grab the cover from the Celica GT and put it on the Corolla airbag. So I'm basically swapping over the covers because the one for this one right here is the Corolla one. And as you can see, the Corolla one is 2 plugs, Celica is 1 plug, and you need to use the right airbag module on your vehicle, or if not, it won't work properly. So here I am explaining, removing the covers. You can see I already removed the covers. I'm going to put the Celica GT one on the Corolla one and just discarding of the Corolla one. That's the Celica one. We're leaving that. That's the Corolla one. So we're, as I said, I've already said it. There you go. Putting the Celica one over the Corolla airbag. If you guys don't know, the Corolla cover is like a super dark gray, while the Celica one is a pure black. You can't really tell, from far away, but if you look straight at it, like right here, you can tell they're different colors. They're different colors. Same with the steering wheel. The steering wheels are different colors. They're not the same exact colors. And here I am explaining that this was a TRD action package Celica. You can see the glue residue from, or the double-sided tape residue from where the TRD spoiler used to be. And here I am explaining how much I paid. Ended up paying maybe like a little under $30 or $32.95. I ended up picking up the airbag and the fog light. So what sucks about iPull-u-Pull is they will tell you, oh, you need to give us the VIN of the vehicle, because if it has the Takata airbag recall, we're not going to sell you this airbag. So I had to give them the airbag, the VIN number for the Celica GT in order to be able to purchase the airbag. And here I am explaining iPull-u-Pull was at the corner of Pick and Pull giving these out, and it was just hilarious how they're both junkyards are having a half-off sale, and iPull-u-Pull people are like at the corner of the Pick and Pull giving out these free admission passes. If I would have went to Pick and Pull first, I would have been able to use this properly, but it's whatever. I mean, it's only $2 entry fee, so it's not a big deal. I'm not gonna crowd for $2 here. But I went to Pick and Pull. I found nothing. I didn't feel like recording Pick and Pull because there's nothing there. Like, I didn't record. Here I am. This is where they were giving out the iPull-u-Pull passes at the very corner.